How's it going, guys? I'm going to show you something very special to me. If I had to drive without it, I'd be pretty sad. It is the Soundtek A1 Plus by Aston Innovations, and in my opinion, it's probably the best Bluetooth kit you can get right now for your car off of Amazon. It's super affordable and super easy to use. It's clean, it doesn't glow a bunch of random colors at night, just white from the buttons. There's no branding, and the buttons are really nice to press. But here are a few reasons why it's the best. Number one, and this is why I picked this over all the other options right now, it turns on and off with your car. A lot of other options that I've had in the past, I had to charge the unit and then turn it on and turn it off when I stopped using it. This one acts as if the Bluetooth is built into your car. So when you shut the car off, it turns off automatically. When you turn it back on, it turns on. So you never have to worry about it dying on you. Number two, it comes with this control unit that lets you skip, pause, and play your music. And if you long press the pause and play button, it'll let you activate your voice commands on your phone. And then if a call is coming in, you can hit it to answer that call. And when you're done, you can hit it to hang up. And they give you some adhesives to mount it wherever you want. I have mine just to the right of the steering wheel because it's closest to my hand. And like I said, it plugs into your cigarette lighter and aux port, so hopefully they're right next to each other. They will also provide some adhesives for guiding the cord to those areas. Just make sure you clean off the surfaces that they'll be mounted to pretty good, otherwise they won't stick very well. Number three, it has a built-in noise isolator, which basically means with older vehicles, there would be some hissing or white noise that can come through your auxiliary port's wiring. This will cancel that out, so it locks in on whatever's coming from your phone and nothing else. And lastly, it's really affordable. You can get it right now off of Amazon for 40 bucks and have some sweet Bluetooth convenience in your old vehicle. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a great day.